Hi, I'm Steve with Clean Air Columbia, and today I want to make a short video and talk to you guys about one of the tools that we like to use when we are sometimes cleaning ductwork, sometimes just investigating things, issues, and problems that you guys might have. And that tool is a small camera. It's a small duct cleaning camera, duct inspection camera that we use. And I'm going to show it to you here. It's just a small little camera, does a pretty good job. It's got a light on it that's fairly bright, allows us to be able to see different things in a ductwork. So why would you maybe need an inspection with a camera? Maybe you've got a noise in your ductwork you're trying to figure out. We need to, sometimes people have something loose in there that's fluttering around, that sort of thing. So we'll run the camera down there, try to find that. Or maybe sometimes you think you might have some air leakage going on, and we'll run the camera down there and try to find some leaky areas and things like that. We've got other ways of checking for leakage too, but that's one of the ways. Or maybe you just want to run the camera down there and look and see what kind of, how much buildup of dust and dirt is in there, or if there's a blockage. Sometimes things can get in there and block ductwork, or a damper might be shut and that sort of thing. So we've got some different tools for the camera. As we're going through there, we've got a small hook that we can attach to the end of the camera. So if there's something in there, we need to hook onto it. We can pull it back out with that little hook. We've also got a magnet that was actually sticking to the hook when I tried to pick it up. But anyway, just small magnets. So sometimes if it's something small, metallic item in there, we can grab a hold of it with that and pull it out. So I'm actually going to run this down into a vent here and just kind of let you guys take a look as it goes in. So I'm going to turn this camera around. I might have to stop it and restart it, I think, but it actually attaches to either an iPhone or an iPad or something like that via Wi-Fi. So I've got it hooked up to an iPad right now that I'm going to let you guys, I'm going to set it down so you guys can kind of watch and see as this runs through there, and you can kind of get a look at what we do. Okay, so you can see the iPad there. You can see the cameras shining on it, and you might see our dog in the background there. I think he's going to help us out. So anyway, I'm going to start feeding this down into the ductwork here, into the vent, and obviously the air conditioner just kicked on, so hopefully it's not going to be too noisy for us. We can see as we're going in just some dust, and it looks like maybe some dog hair and different things like that have gotten in there. So don't tell my wife, she'll make me clean the ductwork for us here. But I'm going to feed it in, and sometimes I got to roll it around a little bit so it can focus. But you can see we can kind of look and inspect what's going on in the ductwork. If there's something laying in there, we'd be able to see it. If there's a gap in the ductwork, we'd be able to see that too. Let me roll this around a little bit. I have to reposition that camera just a little bit there for us so we can see a little bit better. We'll get it here. Sometimes we got to adjust it a little bit so we can get it to focus where we need it to here. So there we go. There we can see down the ductwork, kind of see what kind of shape things are in. We've actually sealed our ductwork. I don't know if you can see kind of right here. That's the sealant we use, the Aero Seal, to help seal up all the leaks. So that's kind of cool. We're able to see that. But it looks like a little bit of dust built up on the bottom side of the pipe there, which it has been a little while since we cleaned our ductwork. So I probably do need to do it again. But anyway, this kind of gives you guys an idea of what we can do with the camera. We can run it in and look for different things in there. See if there's some problems going on that we need to address and that sort of thing. So I think it kind of flipped around on me again. There we go. So we're just about to the end of it there. You can see where it curls down into the trunk line of the ductwork there. So we can run this in the trunk line too. We can take it and start at the furnace and look in. We can check out the air conditioner coil and that sort of thing as it's just to see if there's any blockages or how dirty things are. So that's kind of a rundown of the camera. So if you guys would like to have an inspection on things just to check out some issues, maybe things aren't performing the way you think they should, or maybe you're just curious of whether or not, what kind of buildup you've got going on in the ductwork, give us a call. We'd be more than happy to come out and take a look at things, run the camera through a few areas and that sort of thing. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks, guys.